Like, it's huge.
Do you not get the concept?
Hi guys, it's your girl Couture Shanz and welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't be a stranger down in the comments. Go ahead and introduce yourself and I'll definitely reply back. So guys, today is about to be a fun-filled vlog. See for yourself. Yeah, you do not want to miss out on this, so continue watching and stay until the end of the video because I have a special surprise for you guys. So today, as I said, is gonna be fulfilled. Oh my god. So today, as I said, is gonna be a fun-filled vlog. You guys are basically gonna see like a little insider vibe of what content creation life is like. So yesterday when I was like in the throes of doing my takedown for my hair, because as you can see, all the curly pieces are missing and the hair isn't giving body anymore. It's just giving blonde, busted, and I almost did not vlog because I was just feeling so toe up, so tired, so beaten down. But listen, I could not go through this day and not document it because it's just a monumental moment, not only for myself but for the boys as well. As I said, I was taking down my hair yesterday when I got a really important call, and this is something that we have been discussing. It's not like it took me by surprise, but I just didn't know when it would actually come to fruition. So the boys will actually be creating some content today for a brand that we know and love, and that just makes it 10 times better because then the boys can like authentically show their enjoyment or their appreciation for the products, and I love that. And I try to align them with brands that we actually use on a daily, that we actually like. So this is like a big moment for them. Also, Jameer has a little assessment today at his new school. If you know, he's graduating this year, so he's heading to prep school. He's going to grade 1, so we have an assessment for that. So I just dropped them off and I'll be picking him up a little bit later, like in an hour or so. So I'm trying to kill some time, guys. Listen, y'all are keeping me company while I kill time because I don't know what else to do. Nowhere is open this early. I have some packages at my shipping company, but I don't think they're open yet. So we just had chill. Might take a little nap because I could not sleep this morning, and I guess it's like the jitters and nervousness. I went to the bathroom like 3 times, and I hate that for me, guys. Like whenever I have like a big event or something cool coming up, something exciting, yeah, girl gets a little nervous in the bathroom. Yeah, that's where we go when we get nervous. I don't know if you guys can relate, but let me know in the comments if you can. So anyways guys, enough with the rambling. Come along with me for my day. Not even part of my day, my entire day. So this is a 24-hour vlog. Well, not 24 hours, but about 12 hours of my day that you guys will get to see. So stay tuned, stick around, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Packages secured as usual. So guys, we've got 2 packages here. Let's go ahead and open this one first. I'll use like a here. And this one, some books. As you guys know, your girl is in her author bag. So we went ahead and we re-upped on the Amazing Adventures. I keep saying the Amazing Adventures, but it's the Adventures of Joshua and Jack. So that's what that is. Also got this smaller package. The box looks small though. Ugh. So this one has some shirts. So these are like 3-pack t-shirts that I got for Jason because he's been asking for some like undershirts to wear to work, and it says it's made of cool comfort fabric, and this is like the sweat wicking fabric, so it absorbs the sweat. It's very breathable. It's made from 100% cotton. I always get these for him on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. I'm not gonna open this. I'm just gonna let him do the honors. And I also got this little hair scissors. You like the box here now, cooperate. Next on the list is this is a hair scissors. It's very tiny, right? How do I even open this thing? Oh yeah, it's very tiny, and you can use them for like your wigs, like the precision on these, you know, get into it. and it's a pack of 3, so it comes in like this one with a little thing at the tip, the pointy one, and then a smaller one. So these will definitely come in handy. I think I got these for like $5. Next up is this under counter LED motion sensor light. I plan to put this in the kitchen. I got a pack of 2, is it? I think 2 come in the pack. I wanted to try it out before I went ahead and ordered like 2 many, because if I'm not mistaken, I might need like 6 or so. But I said, let me get 2 first, see what it's giving, and then maybe I go ahead and order more. So it's basically have the adhesive and you just stick it under the counter, and it's supposed to be motion sensor, so whenever somebody comes in the kitchen, it's supposed to turn on by itself. So this should be cool. I'm gonna try these out. Gonna maybe install them so you guys can see. But yeah, that's it for our little mini car haul. Yeah guys, that's about it. This is a charger for it. So yeah, that's it for all the packages I have. So packages checked, so let's go and grab Jameer and take him to do his assessment. And I think it entails like some reading, some cognitive thinking skills. What else did they do? Math, all of the shebang. So let's go grab him, take him to his assessment, take him back to school, and then head home. So yeah, I already know everybody here. All right, so you're good.
I don't know everybody.
Yeah, you already know everybody.
It's the day that the Lord has made.
Bye. Aww, later, Javi.
Bye. Cool sound, doesn't it?
Yeah, so Jameer just finished his assessment. How was it, Jameer?
Good.
The principal, well, the vice principal said that he's actually reading very well.
And also, if you could see, Mommy got a cat in the middle of her phone.
Yeah, Jameer gave me a cat sticker. But yeah, how you feel?
Good.
Did you read well? What else did you do?
I did.
Sit. They can't see if you stand up.
And Mommy, and she made me do how many dogs and birds there are. There were two birds, 3 dogs.
What? Good job. So the next step, you can take off your seatbelt, madam. The next step is to basically, submit his records from his kindergarten. You have to go do a medical, all of that, and then you're ready for big boy school. Cannot believe I'm gonna have a 1st grade and a 2nd grade. But either way, guys, we're gonna drop him back at school, and I'll see you later. All right, my love.
Okay.
You're my big boy, my smart boy. Love you.
Love you.
Alright, let's go. Get your stuff. Well, the only thing I have at the bag juice is still. Let's go. Oh my god, there's cane falling off the freaking truck. Guys, listen, I hate driving behind, in front of, beside trucks. Like when I'm driving, I legit steer clear of trucks. So it's the next day actually, and I'm on the road. I'm heading to the fabric store, of course, because where else in the summer go but fabric store, supermarket, pick up the kids. That's about it. I hope you guys aren't too bumpy, but I left out not too long ago, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was not in the mood to go on the road today, but hubby is going on the road, so I'm legit driving behind him as usual. And him say I'm spoiled because I don't like going anywhere by myself. Like if he's not driving in front of me, I don't want to go. Like sometimes I go some places where I don't even know, and he legit has to like drive in front of me. He's literally my GPS. I don't even use GPS. But I'm gonna start using it because him start left me a road and said, listen girl, you need to go and explore on your own. But today I'm tagging along, so we need some fabric because I got some orders that I need to start working on, plus summer is upon us, so you know how that is. I have to get some summer pieces out, and that's not for it today. I think I have to do nothing else. That's about it. Fabric store. We'll go grab food as usual. And then we get the boys. Oh, and we have a video to film when we get back home. So that's pretty much sums up my day. So come along with me, guys, and see if we can get all them summer sort out in good times. Okay guys, so our first destination, and people supposing to see the little corner where the people they put me in a one thing about Central Plaza, parking I got limited, bad. Either way, we're at Pablo's and Ping's. As you know, this is like my favorite spot to eat up for like my fabrics and stuff like that, accessories. So let's go inside and see what they have today. The colors I have at the top of my mind are green, pink, red, and blue. These are what the girlies are requesting, so let's see what we can find. And I also need like a little print as well, just something to zhuzh up like the solids, because I don't want to be like all solids. If you know me, I'm very colorful, very vibrant. So let's see if they have what we're looking for. And guys, keep your fingers crossed for your girl, because in Jamaica it's very hard to find what we need. So yeah, let's go. So I'm thinking this purple, this white,
Maria, come here, I'll give you it back.
green, pink, or these two. This green is pink. I don't know. This green is very nice. I love it. Guys, my favorite combo of all are these two together, like this red and this blue. And I'm also gonna do the white with green in between, but I don't know if I should go with the purple or the blue. So I'm confused. But this green is actually very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Let's do a little fit check. So I'm wearing some ripped jeans, a black top, my Crocs, of course. Listen, the mirror dirty bad. And I have a little scarf, so they need to clean the mirror. The mirror you want clean.
No, you want one the black one?
People have a look at the buckle. Fabric not enough. What are two exact? And what the other piece measure? The other half, and this is why they buy fabric by the rolls. I never want so much in it, I'm for a budget. But I'll take it. Yeah, you mean look at discount. You know people, I'm gonna discount. I love that. Alright, let me have it.
Yo, my men and my women. Yo, my men and my women. Yo, my men and my women. Yo.
Guys, we are back from the sauna that is the sun. Got some food. I'm gonna change. You know, if I go try to pay them money if you look at parking. Imagine parking is here for customers and we have to pay because you give me a parking spot. Sir, come on. So I got beef patties for the boys. And I went to Mother's, by the way, just in case I didn't mention. I went to Mother's. I got some pastry for Jason. And then for me, I got sweet chili chicken. And guys, supposed to be telling us, say, As a girl who loves sweet chili, I got the last piece. Like, this was just destined to be. And there's this little spot like smack dab in the middle of halfway through that I usually go like, well, it's a mother's outlet, but they usually have like just patties and stuff. And they announced that they'll be serving like lunches, chicken meals. So I got the sweet chili and we're going to taste test, a little taste test. I've never done like a food taste test before on my channel, so yeah, this is how the chicken is looking, by the way. I got a 2-piece breast and wing. So the chili is breast, got a spicy wing. So let's try the spicy first. And guys, I'm starving. So what I love with mothers, their chicken is always well seasoned. Love it. Alright, so the long-awaited sweet chili chicken. I feel like I'm just biting at this. I'm not even seeing nothing to take. I took off my little piece, like, it's huge. What's up? Yeah, man, sure. Thank you. You have to get me back up though.
You ready?
Soon.
Alright,
There. Yes. They are eat. I'm dead for hungry. So me just give man look at change. Why am I charge you for park out here?
I'm not charge you.
Let me give him.
So a video self when I drive and eat?
Yes, well, me no video and drive though. That's against my safety protocols, but I do, you know, video eat. So I show them what I eat, which is some mothers.
Just a box of mercy.
No man, they must see me. You're seeing my face, right guys? You're seeing me. I used to tell them always hide from the camera, but I catch him today. Say hi. You get catch. So I'll get lunch now.
Yeah, man, I love lunch now.
Alright, look at later.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Alright guys, I just finished eat and the girl is heading home. I had a couple products to pick up. What? Speed bump. I had some products to pick up. Are you guys even seeing me? But in the essence of, or the interest of time, what the box said in our fries, so in the interest of time, I'm gonna make Jason grab them for me. And I'm heading home because I'm actually late to picking up the boys. So hopefully I can get to them by probably 2:30 the latest, who knows. And we have a video to film when we get home, guys. The food, immaculate. I should have bought a 5-piece. I'm sound too craven. But yeah, we have a video to film when we get home, so hopefully the boys are up for it. I got them patty. You know them say encouragement sweeten labor, so hopefully the patties can sweeten the palates so they can, you know, perform. And I mean, it's not a performance with them, it's just a natural reaction. That's it. I don't ever have to tell them, oh, do this or act this type of way. All I really do is just give them a brief overview of what the video is about and just let them do their thing. So yeah, give thanks. And currently we're working with a new brand. If you guys follow them on Instagram, which is at Javi_Jameer_G, you'll see like all of their little fun videos and things like that. So we have a new brand that we're working with and I'm pretty excited. Jason just confirmed that they sent over the products, so when he gets home with them later we'll sort through, and you know, we have gone over a couple concepts, so we're just ironing that out, and they're literally in their content creation bags. So let's go pick up my mini content creators, guys. Come on. Oh my god, there's a little puppy. Little puppy. You want him? Yes. Have the same one, the puppy,
But
guys.
we can't get him because it's theirs.
Yeah, it's not your puppy. Come on.
How is he supposed to get back home?
He knows where to go. You thought it was Patty? It is Patty! So we got one munchkin, one to go. Can you sit? Put on your seatbelt, please. Oh, my fabric and thing there on you. Give it to me. Oh. The kids have been asking for a pet, guys, but because the security features that would allow for a pet aren't really up to par just yet, because we need to have them, you know, stay somewhere that is safe. Why am I coming on the road? Javi, you want us to take you? I'm gonna ask the owner. I know her, she always come out here. So tomorrow, like, puppy come out the way. Tomorrow when I see her, puppy, am I right? Him gone? Him move? Talk to me, Javi. I can't see him. Do you see him?
Yeah, he's on the left.
Okay, alright, perfect.
He's on the left.
Tomorrow I'll ask her if we can get one of them, but I only see one.
He's just chasing us.
He's chasing us, that means he wants to come with us, Javi. But yeah, you guys will get pets soon. Don't worry about it.
Oh my gosh, he's just running for his life.
Alright, baby, put on your seatbelt, please, so we can go grab Jameer. It looks as if it's going to rain, and I did not want that because we have a video to film today, my love. Yeah, and I prefer when we have good lighting, like good natural lighting. Mind you, we're going to be using the ring light, but if outside is dark, you can definitely tell. And there's definitely a difference when the natural lighting is popping versus when it isn't. So yeah, how was school today, my love? That's good. What did you do? Guys, we're back home and we're setting up to do a video, boys. Are you ready for the video? Yeah. Or do you need more time? We have this big snake and ladder set. I don't know if you guys remember, we bought this from Portmore, one of those vlogging days. We got this like around Christmas time, so yeah, it's like a jumbo snake and ladder. Where does it even begin? So we're gonna be using this in the video today.
Number 1.
Yeah, it's at the bottom. So it's like a play mat.
Yeah.
Boys can play on it.
How do we pour
And it has like a jumbo. Let me show them the players. So these are the players. We have 4 of them. And we have a jumbo dice as well. So yeah, this is it. We have all the colors. We have a jumbo dice. So Jamie, you can be red, seeing that you're in a red shirt. Javi, come my love. I see green and yellow on your shirt. Which one you want? Green, yellow, blue, sure, no problem. So
no blue.
Blue. Alright, keep the dice for me, so I can go ahead and set up the ring light. And people may need a new ring light. The one here, I give away. It literally have shots. So the extension have shots in it. So I'm plug it in, or maybe the adapter. You know, maybe if you change the adapter.
Daddy, this is mommy. Look, when we start, we to go up this ladder, do we?
Yeah, you start at number 1. Let me plug this in.
No, mommy, look. Don't go up it.
Sure, my love. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and film this video. I may include like the final results or the final edits here. If I don't, you guys can check out their page. It's Javi_Jameer on Instagram, so you can go on over and check out their reels. Don't forget to like, share, and you know, just spread the word about a fun kids page, you know, boys being boys, doing fun stuff. So guys, let's get to filming. Okay. Good morning, guys. And come here. Can you turn that down a little? Hey guys, so we're getting ready for school today. It's Friday. No, we're just finishing up. So the boys have Children's Tree today at their school, right? What do you think about that? You don't want to eat the chicken? You need to start eating chicken. These kids are vegetarians, so they love a chicken. Jameer, come over here. Let me finish lotioning. So as I said, it's Friday. It's the last day of school, guys. And usually they want to stay home, so y'all must be really excited that it's the last day, huh?
No, I'm excited that it's fun day.
You're excited that it's fun day? Show them your outfits. So Jameer is wearing his little dino shirts and some what do you call these things again? Cargos, gray cargos. I'll show you guys a full fit But we'll have to hurry up and puff because we have to leave shortly. Get my phone from me, let me take Chef. Can you pass my phone from me, please? Can you pass my phone? It's on the textbook. So we have to leave out in like the next 5 minutes if we want to beat traffic. I'm gonna text Chef. Turn this down a little, please. Where? On the textbook. You don't see my phone or the hairbrush? Bring the hairbrush. Maybe the phone is in the bag. Come. So if we want to beat traffic, we have to leave out in the next 5 minutes. In and out. In. And as you know, this one is asthmatic, so I'm not forgetting puff every morning and every night. 2 puffs Flexitide, 2 puffs Ventolin, and using his safe period, so he just only needs to puff twice a day. Right, Jamir? At one point, I usually have to like send the medication to school so the teacher could puff for him, but he's not in that zone right now. In and out. In, out. And if any of you guys are asthmatics or have kids that are asthmatics, you know how it is, right? Ready? One more time. In, out. In, out. See the phone in there? No phones? Where could my phone be? Oh my god. Look. Yes, you guys think I'm going crazy?
Yes.
Javi just said yeah.
No,
I think I'm going crazy because why am I vlogging with the phone and then asking for the phone? Either way, guys, we need to leave. So, let's go. Come brush your hair, Javi. Javi, why have you come brush your hair? You need to get your backpacks, lunch bags, pick a snack, quick. Who's so handsome today? Who, you? I am a handsome boy. I'm a smart boy. I'm a strong boy. Love you. Let's go. Come join me, mommy. So Zuri's here.
Zoria, have you seen our last video that we made? No.
Zuri, you watch the videos?
No.
What? Tell mommy to let you watch the videos. Alright, turn, let's take a pic. Put Zuri in the middle. Come up, come, put Zuri up a little. I can't see her. Say cheese. So guys, we're stuck in traffic. And I know where so much traffic come from, but I guess it's because we're pretty late this morning. I don't know, but this week has been so hectic. I'm so drained, so tired. We are supposed to, well, I'm supposed to go on the road today to get ice cream for Javi's class 3 that they're having. I'm on ice cream duty. So yeah, I have to get that, and then I may have to go back to his school and probably help out a little if I have the time, that is. Javi also have spelling today, so what we do in the mornings when Javi has spelling, because usually it's both of them, but Jamir is close to graduating, so they're focusing on other things right now. Speaking of graduation, Javi, you need to practice your song, but Javi has spelling today, so we usually just practice the spelling words in the car while we go to school. So your first word is centimeters, Javi.
CENTIMETRE.
Meters.
Oh, I thought
Let's add an S. You're good to go. Symbols.
SYMBOLS.
Liters.
LE.
No. Good job. Alright, I'll give you the rest shortly. Jamie, what's wrong? What's happening? Talk to me. Alright, you can go and sleep. He says the sun is affecting his eyes. But yeah, we're supposed to do some filming today, but I don't think we're gonna get that done because there are some stuff I need to pick up. I don't know if I mentioned on, when was it? Tuesday? that we had like a big collab and stuff for the boys, and it's still in the works, but the arrangements have changed, so they're now giving us creative freedom to, you know, create videos that they think would resonate with our audience, as opposed to like more structured content, which they usually do, but you know, they already have like their talents and stuff for that. So the boys, even though I kind of want to get them into talent work, but they're not at that stage yet where they like can practice scripts and stuff like that, because as it stands currently, I just give them a little brief of what we're going to do and they just speak like ad-libs and stuff. So it's really just showing their personality in the videos. Nothing is scripted, nothing like that. So they have sent over some products to us. I'm gonna show y'all when I get in, and we're gonna be, you know, creating some different recipes.
And they're gonna be a new guest in our new video.
We're not having no new guests in the video. They want to add guests, but I mean, we're gonna add guests in, but to our own series. So like Kids Corner with Javi and Jamir, if you guys are familiar, we have a little kids series on our Instagram page. So they want to add guests, and I'm open to guests like other kids on their channel, like their friends, whoever is down. So look out for that as well. But yeah, off to school we go. Say bye, guys.
Bye!
So they have a whole bounce about. What do you think about that,
And there's a
Javi?
train over there.
Oh, they have a train too. Wow.
Haha. That's way better than Not too bad. When or go over, we're coming here.
Javi, can they come when they're done?
Yes.
Alright,
Because
cool.
they want to drive the train.
Alright, let's go. It's a little bit later and we're on the road, actually at Oasis Plaza. I don't know if I mentioned this morning, but your girl is on ice cream duty for, you know, the kids fun day. So actually running to grab a box of ice cream, like a little small box of ice cream for the kids at the Scoops outlet. Like, I was trying to find a Crazy Gym outlet. Everybody keeps saying there's a Crazy Gym outlet in Spanish Town, but I was on the internet looking, yellow pages everywhere, keep calling and nobody's picking up. One time I called a man and he's like, you know, Crazy Gym don't use this number anymore. And I'm like, wow. You can tell, so that man received about 10 calls a day time asking for Crazy Gym. But Crazy Gym, if you're watching this, which I think you aren't, yeah, if anybody know anybody work at Crazy Gym, tell them to update them info on the internet, please, and make us know them there. So I'm at Scoops. I think they have like Devanos ice cream and everything, but let's go and see what they have, and then we're gonna drop it off to the kiddies, and I might stay with them a little and probably help out, like to share it. Oh crap, I need to either buy cone or cups. I think cups are a little bit less messy, so I'm just gonna see if I get some cups and spoons. Oh, I'm gonna need lunch too. Jeez, I'm pissed. Friday, I must need food, people. There's a Chinese restaurant, like the OGs know this Chinese restaurant at Oasis Plaza. Honest to God, I don't know the Chinese restaurant name. I come here for years and it's just a Chinese restaurant at Oasis Plaza. And if you don't, you know they're in a scandal a couple years back where like a disgruntled employee kind of like air out them business and say a bag of things are going around here. So they actually like shut it down and they reopen it. But you know, we're brave, we're big, bad and brave. So here we are once again. So yeah, man, see if I can get some from that Chinese restaurant for lunch. And yeah, just come on, guys.
Yo, my men and my women. Yo, my men and my women. Yo, my men and my women.
You wanna say hi to the vlog? Say hi. So guys, I got hot pepper chicken and sweet and sour and a ginger beer. Thank you, darling. I'm at the ice cream store. They only have vanilla. I try to get some ice cream. 1,600 for the 1 gallon. I think I'm gonna take the medley. What's in the medley?
It's strawberry, orange, and banana.
Oh yeah, I'll take a medley then. 1 gallon, sorry. Literally just had to run into mainland supermarket. Like, I've never even been in the supermarket before, but I'm looking cups and I'm looking spoons, and I'm not seeing either. Oh, see some little tiny cup. Why them cup here so tiny, like cup cups? Anxiety kill me, guys. But these are so small. Oh, so them have 9 ounce. Perfect. I'm not seeing a spoon. I'm not seeing any spoons. Let me go ask somebody if this ain't it. So guys, I ended up getting the cones because they didn't have any spoons. Like, how can you have cups and not have spoons? So now we're gonna have to do a little skedaddle because we are so late getting to the boys' school. So I'm not gonna drive too rough, but there's a little traffic on the road, so let's go.
Where's Miss Johnson?
These are their Legos.
And Mrs. Now kids and Miss Smith.
This is nice. Javi, you help build this?
Alright. And we're giving them some time to see which team is the winning team.
I think it's obvious with the winning team.
Alright.
Don't say it.
It's okay. The judges side before it's fair.
Yes, the judges side.
Alright, again. So, judges, have we reached a winner?
Who is the winner?
Blow down the something and the breeze will blow down the boys and forth.
Build again. You're gonna build again. We're almost home.
And there's Jammer has a new girlfriend.
Listen, we're not talking about Jamie right now. We're about to end the vlog. Oh my god.
Remember the lady, the girl from the picture that we
Stop
just
putting your brother's business out there. I want us to end the vlog nicely so I can go and lie down, guys. I am beat. I am tired. After all of that, we've been through all week. Your girl is beat. So I just want to go home and lie down now. So I'm going to end the vlog. So Jamie, I'd love for you to end the vlog for me.
I want to wait.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. And also, guys, comment down below. Send me and Zuri date.
Yeah, so he wants to know if he and Zuriel should date. You guys know Zuri.
I'm gonna go.
So leave your votes below.
I'm gonna go everywhere on TV, and I'm gonna go on a Rise TV and just say about Jam has a new girlfriend.
Alright, okay. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye bye.
Yeah.